I am pleased to report some of the results from the latest Kamoa Copper Integrated Development Plan, also referred to as IDP 23. The reason why we do Integrated Development Plans, or IDP 23 in this case, is to maximize or optimize stakeholder value by considering all the resources and mineral inventory that we have on the property. That in turn maximizes stakeholder value, and the stakeholders we're referring to in this case does include the government of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. It includes host communities, it includes local businesses, and of course our employees. The net present value from the IDP 2023 exercise was approximately $20 billion, which makes Kamoa Copper one of the greatest copper mines in the world. Phases 1 and 2 of this project were completed in less than 5 years, and we are currently sustaining 9.2 million tons per annum from phases 1 and 2. Phase 3 is currently in execution, and we are well on track to take the production level up to 14.2 million tons per annum by early 2025. Phase 4 is being studied, and I am confident that we will be in a position to take this operation further to 19.2 million tons per annum.
Kamoa Copper's production guidance for 2023 is between 390,000 and 430,000 tons of copper in concentrate. Following the completion of Phase 3 expansion and a direct-to-blister copper smelter in the fourth quarter of 2024, copper in concentrate production is expected to increase to over 600,000 tons per annum once Phase 3 reaches full production. The Phase 3 expansion and associated infrastructure is a large project with a total capital expenditure of approximately $3 billion. We are confident that Kamoa Copper can fund this capital requirement from cash flows. Following the completion of the 500,000 tons per annum direct-to-blister copper smelter, nearly all the copper concentrate produced from Kamoa Copper Mining Complex will be processed within the DRC. This includes approximately 150,000 tons per annum of concentrate that will continue to be smelted at the nearby Lualaba copper smelter. The on-site smelter will dramatically reduce the volume of product we export per ton of copper, resulting in big savings on logistic cost. In addition, the smelter will produce 600,000 tons per annum of high-strength sulfuric acid as a byproduct. This will be sold domestically, where it is in high demand in the copper belt.
冶炼厂的设计由我们的合作伙伴中国瑞麟工程技术股份有限公司完成，并且我们已经顺利进入现场施工阶段。目前施工的重点是土建工程，冶炼厂设备等组件的制造会在2023年完成并交付到现场。
Kamoa Copper is an extremely unique mining district, and the Copper mine is the jewel in the crown. The Copper deposit is ultra high grade. In some areas, over 10% copper. It's flat-lying, thick and relatively shallow. Using a drift and fill mining method, we mine the deposit with a stop height of approximately 8 meters. In order to increase production from the Copper mine, we are currently expanding its underground infrastructure. We are busy installing additional materials handling capacity to increase mining rate to between 8 and 9 million tons per annum to feed the Phase 1 and 2 concentrators. Around 10 kilometers north of the Copper mine, we are busy with the decline development for Kamoa 1 and 2 underground mines. These mines will feed the adjacent Phase 3 concentrator when production starts at the end of 2024.
The DRC has an incredible endowment of renewable hydroelectric power potential. This provides Kamoa-Kakula with a distinct advantage in achieving our goal as one of the lowest carbon footprint copper operations in the world. Phase 1 and 2 today are powered by 100% green, renewable hydropower with 78 megawatt generated by the refurbished Mwadingusha Dam, which we completed work on in 2021. Now we are focusing on the refurbishment of turbine number 5 at Inga 2 facility, which is a much larger turbine. Once we've completed the installation of a new turbine and electrical infrastructure, it will have a capacity of 178 megawatt. The refurbishment of the Inga 2 facility is advancing on schedule, with completion targeted for Q4 2024. This will be in time for the commissioning and ramp-up of Phase 3 expansion and the smelter. We are funding the capital cost of approximately $130 million by way of a loan to SNEL, which is included in our overall cost estimation. Together with Mwadingusha, the new turbine at Inga 2 will supply over 250 megawatt of clean electricity into the DRC grid, benefiting the Congolese people as well as Kamoa-Kakula.
Here at Kamoa, we have just over 12,000 employees and contractors on site, of which approximately 97% are Congolese. In order to advance the development of our local Congolese workforce to the highest international standards, we continue to invest in our people. This is why we have committed to building the Kamoa Center of Excellence. The Kamoa Center of Excellence will be a world-class facility developed in the outskirts of Kolwezi. It will be offering degrees, diplomas, and short courses in collaboration with internationally accredited institutions. The initial curriculum offering will be aligned to the mining industry, such as Introduction to Mining, Mathematics, Science, and French-English language courses. The first enrollment is expected later this year.
As a joint venture, we are committed to building a modern, safe, mechanized operation that showcases the highest standards in responsible mining and sustainability. The construction of Phase 3 expansion continues Kamoa-Kakula's remarkable safety performance. The construction of Phase 2 expansion, which was completed last year, achieved an incredible 0 recordable injuries. From a social and community perspective, the Kamoa-Kakula complex plays an influential role in the region, supporting sustainable community development and improving the life of population within the mine's areas of influence. This starts by providing a sustainable supply of food and water, as well as access to education and healthcare facilities.